You know, I've been in this industry over 40 years, and I don't think any time in history there have been more big decisions than we have to make today.
Having the right people on the SEMA board is vitally important. For protecting your rights in Washington and the future of the automotive aftermarket, your business is going to count on the SEMA board to help lead the strategic direction for this fight.
There's nothing you can do that has a bigger, impact on SEMA than help us choose the right leaders for you. And that's what the election is all about.
We are under attack from the government, from a lot of different regulations. SEMA's changing and evolving more than it ever has. And it's critical that you have a voice in that change.
My goal as a candidate when I was running, I have an 18-year-old daughter, and I want her to have the same rights I had, things that are, very basic rights to an American.
SEMA protects our members all year long, but one of the most important things that SEMA does is produce the SEMA and the PRI trade show. Getting the right people on the board to help lead the future of the best automotive shows in the world is really important.
We've got great candidates. I think they're all capable of helping lead the organization. But you want to make sure the person that we choose is a good fit for what matters to you. Each member business gets one vote, and we want to make sure that we hear yours.
You might be asking yourself, who can vote? Every SEMA member company has a right to vote, and that vote happens through each company's primary contact. It's important to find and advocate your primary contact to fill in the ballot during the election period. Primary company contacts will receive an email on May 9th from SEMA's election coordinator with a secure election ballot, which must be filled in and submitted by May 23rd to be valid. We hope you take this opportunity to help shape the aftermarket industry and contribute to our continued success. Don't leave the future of SEMA and the automotive industry to chance. Make sure you vote for the SEMA Board of Directors.